Welcome to the reopening of Martin Luther King Jr. Park.
Hey everyone, my name is MLK Jr. I served as the public involvement facilitator for the design of MLK Jr. Park. Just feeling really blessed and grateful to be here. The design of this process began back in 2022, and we just really came together and co-designed and co-visioned. And so it's just really great to see the fruits of our labor come out in this product. And so just really grateful. Thanks so much to all of the folks that were involved, the committee members that shared their stories and expertise. So just gratitude.